Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the latest electric vehicle news and trends from around the world. Today, we're talking about Volkswagen's potential new electric compact MPV that could revolutionize the family car segment. Imagine a smaller, lighter, and cheaper alternative to the ID. Buzz, which has been struggling to find its footing in the market. That's exactly what Volkswagen is considering, with sources suggesting it will be around the size of the Touran or Buddy, offering maximum interior room for its size. This new MPV would be a game-changer for families seeking a practical and efficient electric vehicle that's not an SUV. The VW ID. Buzz was once hailed as a groundbreaking model, with Herbert Diess describing it as having never seen such interest in a new car before. However, the $72,385 price tag proved to be a major deterrent, leaving many potential buyers on the fence. In contrast, a smaller and more affordable MPV could offer Volkswagen a chance to redeem itself. Sources close to the project reveal that Volkswagen is drawing inspiration from earlier concepts, including the 2016 Buddy, which featured an early version of the MEB platform. The new MPV would be positioned beneath the ID. Buzz, offering a smaller footprint, lighter weight, and a more affordable price point. Yes, you heard that right, Volkswagen might just create a modern-day Type 2 microbus. The concept is gaining traction, with potential buyers drawn to the sliding doors and flexible interior seating options. It's no surprise why minivans have long been considered one of the most practical car designs ever created. They offer unmatched space for people and cargo, making them perfect for families on the go. Of course, there are risks involved. Minivans aren't exactly known for their style or all-wheel drive capabilities. But if Volkswagen can successfully revive this segment, it could be a major coup for the brand. And with its reputation for building reliable and efficient cars, Volkswagen is well-placed to capitalize on this trend. So, will customers come for Volkswagen's new electric MPV? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, we're excited to see how this project unfolds. Stay tuned to ElectroDrive News for the latest updates on this developing story, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth coverage of the world of electric vehicles. That's all for today. We'll be back with more news and analysis from the world of EVs soon enough. Thanks for watching.